Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us continue with the next topic. So these are some basic terminologies guys, like repeater, hub, switch, bridge, router and gateway. Okay, so that is nothing but repeater. So first let us go through repeater. Okay, so what is a repeater? So basically if I am sending some particular message in a network, okay, so assume that this is my network guys. Okay, so as it is going in the network, its strength will reduce, right? Slowly its strength will reduce. So I will use the concept of repeater. So assume this as repeater. So that repeater, what it will do is it is going to maximize the strength of that particular signal. So that is the goal of the repeater. Got it? Yes. To strengthen the signal after some distance, we use the concept of repeater. Got it? Yes. And the next thing is a hub. So basically what is a hub guys? Hub is nothing but a multi-port repeater. So basically I think if I bring some diagrams it will be really good, right? Okay. So just give me a second guys, I'll be bringing some other device so I can show it directly in them. Okay. So just give me a second. Okay. So, okay, sorry for that. So repeater will look in this way guys, to be clear. Okay, so it's a bit rough diagram. So it will be having some ports. So basically if you give the input in this port, it will give the output in this port. So basically this will be of low signal and this will be of high signal. So in that way it will work guys. Okay, similarly coming to hub, it will look in this way. So it will have multiple ports. Okay, and if you want to send the message from this port to this port, so assume that you want to communicate in between these two devices. So at that time you will give the input here and all the devices will be connected here. So with the help of a hub, one more thing that you should remember is hub is not having any kind of brain guys. So remember in that way. So hub will not have any brain. It is just the multi-port repeater. So it is going to repeat that message to each and every port. So it will send to all devices. So whose device IP address or something will match, so it can read the message. That's it. So that is the concept of hub. So remember that hub will not have any brain. Okay, similarly bridge. So if you recall, bridge is nothing but some kind of connection which is in between two networks, right? So if you observe here, this network and this network, so the only connection in between them is bridge, right? Yes. Okay, so use it to connect two different LANs. Okay, similarly switch. So switch, to be clear, switch is like a big brother of hub guys. So basically hub is not having brain, right? But switch is having brain. So what it can do is, so if you give okay, so I think all images are in it, right? Yes. So to be clear, switch exactly looks like hub only, but the only thing is it is having some brain. So if you want to send, so let me write the switch so that I think we can get some good idea. WITCH. Sorry. Okay, switch in computer networks. Okay. So let us go through images. Okay, so it will also look exactly like hub only. So the only advantage with respect to this switch is it is having brain, and if you want to send the packet from this first guy to last guy, it will send only to that guy guys. It will not send to everyone. So that is the major advantage with respect to switch. So each device connected to a switch port can transfer data to any of the other port at any moment of time without interference. So basically if these two guys are communicating, at that time these two guys can communicate, these two guys can communicate, this guy can communicate. So basically 4 parallel connections can run at the same time. So that is also an advantage with respect to switch. So now you got an idea, right? Yes. So now let us go through the router. So basically to be clear, router is nothing but it is going to forward the packets to the network guys. So it is nothing but something like our routers which we use in our homes. So it is just going to amplify your signal. In that way it will work. That's it, right? So if you want me to show an example. Okay, so this is our router. So here we are having, so it is going to amplify the signal and it is going to connect those signals and it will just act as a mediator. So basically all the packets will go via him, right? Yes. So the last thing is a gateway. So gateway is nothing but something like your security gateway guys. So if you are in a gated community, you will be having your security guards and all those things, right? Yes. So that is nothing but gateway. So whenever some packet is going out of your whole network, that should pass through this gateway. So it is something like security. So let me give me a second. Yes. So to be clear, it also looks like it also looks like the normal hub only, but it is going to ensure the security. It's a piece of networking hardware or software used in telecommunication to allow data from in and out of the network. So basically it will be scanning the things which are coming from outside, and it will, while sending also it will scan the things. Got it? Yes. So now you got an idea about this terminology, right? Yes. So this video, I think it should be recorded at the initial stage, but I thought at the end only it will give more sense. Okay. Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea, and this is the last lecture about computer networks, guys. So if there are any missing topics, anyway, I'll be covering it. And if you think that there are any missing topics, please let me know in the comment section. Okay. Yes. So in the next lecture, we'll be discussing the PYQ base, guys. Okay. Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.